Hello, this is Zach with Williams Family Racing, and in today's video is Firewall Part 2. So, I'm going to start off the video by apologizing for the mic quality. I have a mic on the way, it's not here yet, but it'll be here in the next couple days. Hopefully by the next time y'all get a video, I will actually be using it, or if not, it'll be the next after that, but it should be here shortly. And in today's video, we're working on the front firewall. This is part 2. So, last time we left off with this, the front firewall. I hope that's in focus. And today, we have to get it all attached. We have a piece that Dad made off camera here. We're going to trim it. He bent it up on our custom bender that my cousin made for us. Hopefully you can see that. Shout out to my cousin at Burgins Garage. He also has a YouTube channel. I'll leave it down in the description. He made that for us. But he bent that on that, and we're just going to get to work on getting it all fit and finished, and we're going to have to come in here and massage that in the areas that we need to and fill this gap. We're going to do the same on that side. So I'll check in with y'all later. Alright, so I just wanted to catch y'all back up with what I did, or what me and Dad did. You might be able to see it inside the car. We got tacks all the way around, all the way up. Hopefully y'all can see that. And we stopped right about here, because that's as far as up I could get without going underneath the vehicle. And we actually bent this over enough to be able to get it going, and we cut a piece off of that piece I showed you earlier and stitch welded it in here. Got it tacked all the way across. Our next video will be Firewall Part 3, which will entail the last piece of the firewall and finishing up the driver's compartment, because those pretty much link together, and after that we'll be done on this, done on the driver's compartment for now. After we get done with that, we are going to be moving back to the fuel cell, getting the material to build a cage that goes around it, getting that mounted in the back of the car, getting our battery mount secure and make sure that that's not going anywhere. And after that, pretty much will be our T-bars for our decking. So be looking for that. That will be coming up here soon. really hope to get down these parts out so we can finally get to racing. We haven't raced, and it feels like forever since we wrecked that last car. So, and that's it for this video. Please like, and please think about subscribing. Anything helps. Alright, peace.